Time for a lunchtime coffee. I've got a frother and you can see it's working really well. Like I said in my last video, I'm challenging myself to make lots of coffees at home, just filtering the coffee, and if I want to, I can also have a bit of froth on top, which I love. And I went to the beach this morning and it was quite cool and windy, and I love listening to the sound of the ocean. I think just walking and listening to the sound of the ocean has such a calming effect on my nervous system. As you can see, yesterday I went to a tea shop, but they've got yummy cakes. I love cake, and I can never decide at least between two cakes when I'm in that shop. So I got two. Got an apple crumble and a Biscoff cheesecake. So delicious. These days I really try to keep a really good work-life balance, and for those of us who work in the caring professions, but also anyone really, I think for anyone it is important to really sense into what your body needs at any given moment in time, and to nourish and nurture your body, mind and soul, so that you actually have the motivation and the strength to go to work every day. In my current role, I work for a large not-for-profit organization. I work with families and predominantly young people and children that have experienced domestic and family violence. So you can imagine that can get quite heavy at times, and so I quite consciously engage in a lot of calming and regulating activities on my days off, so that I can actually give my best and be my best at work, and give it to the people that need it most. So that is a bit about me. I'll just keep dancing around my living room. So I went in there for the rest of the weekend after I went to the markets again yesterday, just the farmers markets, bought some fresh fruits and vegetables, mostly organic, with some fresh coconut yogurt and falafels and the cured goat's cheese that you saw me use in the last video with the side salad. And afterwards, actually, I went around the water near the markets. It was so windy. I don't know if you can see that in the footage. And then I came up here and just enjoying the peace and quiet here on the veranda. And what better things to do on a quiet weekend like this than curling up on the couch near the fireplace. It's just so cozy. As always, I'd like to encourage you to use some of my flowy and stretchy movement sequences that I've got on here. And let me know how you go. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see more of, if you'd like me to keep using or posting these lifestyle vlogs. And I'll see you in the next one.